Hello, welcome to my Sunday from. Today I have a few packages and I just want to get started and let's see what's in this one. This one has groceries in it and it has shampoo. Let's see. This is dinner care. It's all-purpose shampoo and body wash. It looks like this. It smells good. It has like a fresh scent. It doesn't smell like really perfumey. So if you like that, like it's like a basic shampoo and body wash, this is really good. It washes really well and I like it. Then I got these cookies. I always get these cookies. Plus they're like about 80 cents to $1. Let's see what else is in here. My favorite drinks. And I have, what is this, makeup? Check that out. I have a can of chili with beans. This is Armor chili with beans. So this one has like meat. The meat's like really ground. It's not really tiny and it's not really big. It's like really, I think it's more like chili that I'm used to eating. So I like this one. And here's I had bought 2 of the foundations and I like them and stuff, but like the foundation that I bought for me was like, I don't know, like it wasn't like really high coverage. And so I thought, well, I like it, let me just buy the concealer. So I bought the concealer and it just got in, as you can see. So I just want to try it out and see what it's like. I saw this on TikTok, so I was like, let's see. So this is like, this is pretty light, this color. And let's see if it covers really well. Ooh, I like it already. It covers really well. I'll do half of my hand. So, oh, that's really nice. As you can see, it worked right away. And let's see. I'm gonna smell it. It smells fresh and it's like, it says it's buildable. I don't know, maybe I need more, but I mean, I like the coverage and I like the fact that it dried really well, and I think it would be a good base to put foundation on anyway. So I'm gonna do half my hand again. And wow, that is really good. So it is buildable. Confirmed. Yeah, that looks really good. If you can see the difference between this and this, it's like, I think it's really nice. Like, it looks really professional. It doesn't look like, you know, cheap. That's one thing that I don't like in makeup, like when it makes you look kind of cheap. You know what I mean? And I have these 2 little packages. So in one I have, this is Spam luncheon meat. It was $2 even, pretty good price. So I snagged that. Then I got this. I cook with this sometimes, and I put it in pasta and veggies. And this is red wine vinaigrette dressing. Then I bought one of these, which is basically like Kool-Aid for adults. It's sugar-free, low-cal, and sodium-free, it says. So it contains 10 calories per serving. And this is just like a part of my diet. I bought pink lemonade this time. I usually get just plain lemon, but this one is it lasts a long time because it contains 6 packets. So like one packet will last me a week. So that's like a whole month, you know? Even if I splurge, it's still a whole month. So here's another little package. And I got the medicine. And I got these sponges to apply makeup. Well, they're little eggs. I thought they were bigger, but this will do. This is cute. And then I got, let's see, I got some Ziploc bags. I thought this was a good buy because I can use them for all kinds of things. Let's see if I can open it. It says like you open it here. So let's open it there. So I bought these to like put my makeup in and store them away. So you can see right away I'm already using it. And these cups are 7-ounce cups. They're really small, but during the day I just grab a cup and drink whatever. And so like I thought this was perfect. Stay hydrated in the summer. And then I bought this jewelry. And it comes with comes with a bunch of little bracelets. And they're really cute, but they're kind of small. I wonder if they're like children or something. Like who does this fit? Well, that looks cute. And then this one. They're so cute. They're really little though. Let's see. Here's the other one. They have like a rose gold tone, but not really. This one has hearts on it. This is just a plain one. I guess you could stick charms on this one. This one's cute. And then a regular chain one. Using my Ziploc bags. So far so good, huh? I'm liking my purchases. I try to stay like on a budget. So this time, this budget was about $70. And I think I did pretty good. I think I did. Really good job staying within budget. Here's the next two. So here are my plates. I bought these last time. I still have some. I don't know why I bought that. Then my bowls. I ran out this week and I eat like oatmeal all the time. So, and soups. You know me with my ramen. And I bought some honey buns. I just wanted to treat myself because I've been doing so good on my diet. I mean, why not? I deserve something sweet every now and then. I have to say, I don't know anybody that doesn't prioritize honey buns. And these have to be like everybody I know's favorite sweet treat. They're so good. I think this is probably like one of my favorite brands. And I also like the Texas one. The one with the icing, you know? They're good. And last but not least, I bought, these are about 50 cents each. And these are shells. If you want, you can check out my recipe video for these, if I still have it up. Let's see, I bought, what is this called? Oh, heartburn. I have some more medicine too. Which one is this? Famotidine? Famotidine? I don't know. And then my Splash, Diet Splash. This one is 5% juice. See, this one has tropical fruit in it. That's why I bought it. And I figured it was better for me. And but yeah. I bought another one of those eyelash curlers. And some refills. I really just needed the refill, but I bought the whole thing, so I was like, why not? I don't know if I'll like this. I think I'll just put it away. For now. I might try these though. Then I got this rice. It's enriched rice, just regular. I have more of that 50-cent pasta. This is fideo, vermicelli. Pork and beans. These are always like 80 cents. Chicken a la king. I wanted to make a casserole with this one, so I don't know. I'll see. And then I bought this Wet n Wild Boost Me Up. It's like lash serum to make your eyelashes grow thicker and longer. So I bought this because you know me, I'm a very natural girl. And I don't like lacking in the aesthetic department. So just to keep up with all that makeup I've been putting on for you guys. Damage control. Boom. That's my damage control. It smells like makeup. It's cute. So it has the mascara wand, and also it has like a serum applicator too, so you can put it on your brow, grow your brows a little bit thicker if that's bothering you. But I've tried this before, I think about a few times, and like I said, like this stuff helps my my eyelashes, like in between wearing makeup and stuff. I like to put this on if I'm not working or whatever, like doing stuff, publicity, what have you. I'll put this on all day long, like just apply, because like I don't like wasting time, like in between filming and in between whatever else that I do. This always helps boost at least my confidence, you know, because then I know once I take off the makeup, it's just me, baby. And that's all you'll ever need, right? Well, I hope you've enjoyed my haul. I really like my purchases, so hopefully you'll check back with me, watch another video, and see you guys again soon on my Sunday front. Bye bye.